Installation and operation of high vacuum pyrolysis spray machine. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. The other end of the connection device. Tighten the clamp. Connect the water pipe of the water cooler. Connect the air compressor pipe. This is the inert gas interface. Just connect. Next, start installing the liquid pipeline. Unscrew the liquid tank. Pull the liquid tube through the nut. Connect to the connector. Tighten the nut. Connect another liquid pipe in turn. The liquid flows counterclockwise. Make sure the left side is connected to this position. On the right is the connection tank location. Open the peristaltic pump slot. Install the liquid pipe. Then tighten the car slot. Connect peristaltic pump knower in the same way. Connect the peristaltic pump power cord. Plug it in tightly. Connect the peristaltic pump communication line. Tighten the screws at both ends. Connect another peristaltic pump in the same way. Connect the vacuum pump to the power supply. Connect the peristaltic pump power supply. Connect another peristaltic pump power supply. Connect the water cooler power supply. Air compressor power supply. After the device power cord is connected, turn on the main power switch. Turn on the water cooler power. Turn the knob clockwise. Turn on the air compressor switch. Open air compressor valve. Turn on the vacuum pump. Power on the device. Turn on the peristaltic pump power. Click to agree. Click to enter the operation interface. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Place the sample. Click manual mode. Click to move the nozzle to the center. Record X coordinate value, Y coordinate value. Corresponding input X coordinate value. Corresponding input Y coordinate value. Click on automatic mode. Click Stop to return the coordinates to 0. Close the cavity. Tighten the buckle. Click Manual Mode. Click to vacuum. Observe the vacuum value changes. You can also observe the vacuum value through the vacuum gauge. Note: before drawing the vacuum, check whether there is liquid in the left tube of the peristaltic pump. If you find liquid on this side, to perform a pullback, prevent liquid from being sucked into the cavity when vacuuming. Here is how to do it. Point injection mode. No E corresponds to peristaltic pump E. No R corresponds to peristaltic pump R. Click Manual Mode. Open the corresponding liquid inlet valve. Then return to the injection parameters interface. Click to set the pumping speed. For example, 10. Forward default E. Set the reversal retracement time. For example, 600. Click Start. Observe the liquid on the left side until the liquid is drained out. Click Stop. After reflow is completed, close the liquid valve on the manual interface. When the vacuum value meets the experimental requirements, turn off the vacuum pump. Click to fill with protective gas. Then observe the pressure gauge when it is close to 0. Click to close the intake valve. Open the can lid. Add appropriate amount of liquid. Open the corresponding liquid inlet valve. Now inject the liquid into the nozzle. Click Injection Mode. For example, operating a peristaltic pump E, set forward. For example, 600. Inlet is set to E. Click Start. Liquid is observed flowing into the nozzle. Click Stop. Set the nozzle flow rate, such as 0.4. Set the appropriate forward rotation time. Reverse time is generally set to E. The function of reversal is to prevent liquid from flowing out and backflow. Click Parameter Settings. Set the size of the nozzle, spraying range, length and width. Click on Automatic Mode. Click to start. Click to set the number of spray times. Example: Spraying. After spraying, the nozzle will return to the initial position. If you need to heat, click the insulation cover to lower it. Descending. Click Parameter Settings. Setting the heating rate. For example, 10. Setting the target temperature. For example, 500. Click to start heating. After heating is completed, click the insulation cover to rise. Click the air release valve to release air. Equal vacuum value to atmospheric pressure 10,000 Pa. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Remove the sample. The experiment is completed.